Ever pondered the intricacies of laser engraving? It's a fascinating process that uses lasers to etch designs onto a variety of surfaces. Originating from the industrial realm, laser engraving has found its way into our homes, transforming everyday objects into personalized masterpieces. Imagine this, your morning coffee, served on a coaster that is not just a coaster. It's a piece of art, customized to your liking, telling your story. This is the magic of laser engraving. From the automotive industry to the fashion world, from tech gadgets to home decor, laser engraving has made its mark quite literally. Now, it's not just about the big industries, it's about you and me, and our ability to add a personal touch to the things we use daily. And today, we're focusing on something you might have on your coffee table right now, a coaster. In the next few minutes, we will delve into the step-by-step process of how to laser engrave a coaster. Before diving into the process, it's crucial to know the necessary materials and equipment. First off, you'll need a laser engraving machine. This nifty device uses a laser beam to permanently etch designs onto your chosen material. Next up is the material itself. In this case, we're talking about coasters. You have a variety of options here. Wood and acrylic are popular choices due to their durability and the stunning results they yield. Last, but certainly not least, is the design software. This is where your creativity comes alive. It's the platform where you'll create or upload the design you want to engrave onto your coaster. There are numerous software options available, some of which are free and others which come at a cost. But remember, the most important thing is choosing a software that you're comfortable with and that suits your design needs. With these essentials, we're ready to start the laser engraving process. Now, the first step in the actual process, preparing the design. This is where your creativity comes to play. You can use any design software of your choice, but it's crucial to ensure your design fits perfectly within the dimensions of the coaster. Imagine your coaster as a blank canvas, waiting for your artistic imprint. Draft your design, whether it's an intricate pattern, a quote, or a simple monogram. Be sure to consider the scale and positioning, as you want your design to be clearly visible and aesthetically pleasing on the coaster's surface. Remember, less is often more when it comes to engraving. Too much detail can make the design appear crowded or unclear. It's also essential to save your design in a format compatible with your laser engraver. Designing is all about trial and error. Feel free to experiment until you're satisfied with your masterpiece. Once the design is ready, it's time to move on to setting up the laser engraver. Setting up the laser engraver correctly is a crucial step in achieving a high-quality engraving. So let's get started. First, adjust the machine for the specific material of the coaster. This ensures the laser interacts correctly with the surface and doesn't cause any unwanted damage. Next, set the correct power and speed settings. These settings will depend on the material you're using and the depth of engraving you want to achieve. For instance, harder materials like stone will require more power and a slower speed than softer materials like wood. It's a delicate balance, but with a bit of trial and error, you'll find the sweet spot. Also, don't forget to focus the laser. A well-focused laser can make all the difference in the clarity and sharpness of your engraving. Think of it like focusing a camera, but instead of capturing the perfect photo, you're creating the perfect engraving. With the machine ready, we can now start the actual engraving process. Finally, we're at the most exciting part, the engraving process. It begins with the design we've prepared earlier. That design is then transferred from the software directly to the laser engraver. Like an artist with a paintbrush, the engraver etches the design onto the surface of the coaster with laser precision. Now, let's talk about the benefits of this process. First and foremost, laser engraving offers unparalleled precision. It allows for intricate patterns and designs that would be nearly impossible to achieve by hand. Secondly, it offers the freedom of customization. With laser engraving, we're not limited to a set of standard designs. You can create and engrave your own unique designs. Lastly, the durability of the design is astounding. Unlike painted or printed designs, laser engraved designs don't fade, scratch, or peel off. They become a permanent part of the coaster, creating a long-lasting work of art. And there you have it, a beautifully engraved coaster, the perfect blend of technology and artistry.